The Ghana security officers busted into an institution secretly operating in Accra, Ghana. This very institution happened to be owned by a group of Nigerians operating an illegal school where they capture and train young fraudsters, aka Yahoo Yahoo. Guys, I am really in shock. Is the authority for me? Why are these people doing this in Ghana? Do they want to spoil Ghana the same way their country is going down the drain? That is a question I want you to, help me with in the comment section, guys. Let's get right into it and I'll be right back.
My people, it's on castle everywhere. Lights. 29 Nigerians, Bolabes. 29 Nigerian Mama Bon regrets have left Nigeria to come and destroy our country, Ghana. They have opened Yahoo Yahoo School. Accra. I beg. Please, let's go and watch the video.
You are working. All right.
Still under Nigeria company in Ghana.
We'll pick you all, eh? We'll pick all
You
of
left your country to come and destroy our country.
interrogate you.
Shamelessly people. If we now talk now.
Those that will.
I want to say president in that I want to move to myself. Jesus. So this is what I'm doing while you people are working. In the midnight to hijack the system. Oh!
Okay. What you will do?
You are 29.
Everybody shut. Oh, mama, turn. You shut your machine. Don't off it.
Hey,
Don't.
they intentionally off it long time. Hey, stand up. Everybody should put his phone. Yeah. If you misbehave, you die. If you misbehave, you die.
Don't make it so that's your phone.
What is inside?
So now, Nigerians, what you are doing is good. Now, 29 Nigerian Yahoo Yahoo, they don't arrest. Now, shame on you.
Hey,
Like I said, even the devil himself is scared of
Okay, Chuku.
Nigerians.
Small boy,
And I
you
don't
know
know
go,
why.
you know go learn good job.
Ghana leaders are not seeing what the youth we are seeing. If you talk now,
When they
they
use the
arrest,
robots.
they go arrest us.
As you can see, this
Now,
guy.
I'm not going to talk anything.
Hey,
Now, what in my
I know the one that
prayers
you
is
are robots to them.
that Ghana leaders una for grow
Who be your
like
chairman?
a Tusala, so that the youth
Speak loudly for me to hear. You
and
be your
they will treat you the way you people are treating them.
I'm not the chairman, sir.
That one, some of us will become judges, some of us will become doctors, some of us will become nurses, some of us will hold big space. We go use that one to go treat you people too. Not be say joke. Not be say joke. By then, you know go get threats. Now we
And I
get
can try
the
that
threat.
It
These people now, they open this school now. If Yahoo money, no they come. Now, they
have
go
some.
go kidnap. They go collect their son. They go take that one. Yes, that's what they do. That's all that they do. If Yahoo money, no they come. They go take that
Parliament
one.
said they will not even have this,
What body?
These laptops.
I don't want to talk anything.
This one
And
is
then
Nigeria
I always
Parliament.
invest. If you come like this, I invest. As a next president, I will not condone such mercenary attitude. Yes. Still. To the next.
You guys have seen everything for yourself. Hey God. Earlier I said it's the authority for me, and I have my reason why of saying that. See, these people no get joy at all. They no get joy. Nigerians, una no get joy. Una no get joy at all. If not, waiting be this. Waiting be this. When I get authority, when I get right, the way when they do for someone land as if na your land, na your country, they think they baffle me. They never finish from that one, like the Hausas will say. Ana water, ga water. See, with all the crimes they are doing in Ghana, like steady, non-stop, they still have the right to go on TikTok live to say shit about Ghanaians, guys. Let's take a look at this video and I'll be right back.
Kumasi is a toilet, dustbin. So Ashanti were created. The only reason Ashanti existed is because they are to be slaves.
Don't curse. Some group of Nigerians bolabet. Some group of Nigerian Igbo smokers. Some group of Nigerian Ogoglo drinkers. Some group of Nigerian good for nothing went on live 3 days ago on TikTok and they put the Asante Hini, the king of Ghana, picture, and they use monkey for the man. Nigerians, you have bite more than you can chew. And fellow Ghanaians, Nigerians are not our brothers. Nigerians are not our sisters. Nigerians are not our friends. For causing these deviant acts, you can never be our friends or our brothers or our sisters. Nigeria is not even our neighbor. You can be friends with our politicians. You can be brothers and sisters to our politicians. We don't care.
Not be juju be that.
I'm very serious. We don't care. You can be friends with them, but not as the citizens. We are not brothers, we are not sisters, because we cannot be friends with kidnappers. We cannot be friends and you people will be unaliving us. We cannot be friends with you. And landlords of the whole Ghana, the land of Ghana belong to our kings. The land of Ghana belong to our kings. The land of Ghana belong to our queens. The land of Ghana belong to our forefathers, not our politicians. So you can be friends with them. We don't care. Landlords of this nation, stop renting your houses to Nigerians. Because if you do and they unalive you, if you do and they cause anything, don't come to the media and tell us. We will not listen to you. Our government don't have the power to whom you rent your house to. Yes, I don't care. Even if I am arrested, I don't care. I'll pay my dues. Yes. Still, power to the Nyash. I am the Nyash president and I stand as a Nyash president for the Nyash of this country and for the sovereignty of the Nyash. Yes, power to the real Nyash.
Well. I support this guy 100%. You know, they've given Nigerians like many chances already to have their best life here in Ghana, but it's like Nigerians don't want to appreciate the gesture, or should I say, the hands Ghanaians give them. Yeah, and if you think I'm wrong, then you can let me know in the comment section, because I do not understand the reason why they gave you, they stretched forth good hands to you. They want to help you, like they want to take you in. They took you in and they treat you like the queen and the king that you are, but you decided to come relax and you want to dominate, you want to make them suffer by spoiling the new generation coming up right now. So Ghanaians sat down and they be like, okay, if I allow this to keep happening in my country, in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years to come, how is Ghana gonna be? So they put the, what is it, telescope, or what would I even call it? That thing where they put for eye to see when something is far away. Yeah. So they put it on and they zoom it well, and they saw that, oh, if we allow Nigerians in our country, this is how our country is going to become. Are you not seeing the example? Are you not seeing what is happening in Nigeria? Who wants their country to be like like Nigeria? I'm talking about the current situation in Nigeria right now. Nobody wants their country to be experiencing what Nigerians are experiencing right now in Nigeria now. Look at how the country don't scatter, don't, So they decided to be like, okay, no, we will not allow that to happen again. We are not saying that we don't have criminals in our country. Well, that's Ghana. We have them, but please allow us to manage the ones we have. Yes, at least it will not be difficult for us. But you guys carry your own from Nigeria, come here, and you are making the work difficult for us. Simple. Go back. We don't want you guys. The good ones, they can stay, but the bad ones should go back. That's what that's just what Ghanaians are saying, no. And now it's become a problem. They are insulting them, saying these Ghanaians are this, Ghanaians are that, Ghanaians are jealous, Ghanaians are Haba. What proof do you want us to come out and show you guys again? What proof do you want again? I don't understand these Nigerians, so I don't understand, especially Igbo people. Look at the first video we checked about the school, the institution they opened, Yahoo Yahoo institution. I won't hear some names like Igbo names. Look at themselves. They look like Igbos. If not be Igbos, who are they? Now, when they come online, they talk anyhow. Now, when I get business everywhere around Ghana. Now, when they come out, they talk rubbish. Instead of you to come out, I'm talking about those Igbos in Ghana that have businesses around Ghana. Come out and talk to your brothers. Tell them that, okay, you want peace with Ghanaians. Let them stop what they are saying about Ghanaians, but you guys will not do that. You will sit down and by the time that thing backfire on you guys, I don't know what to say again. But then there's another video I want you to check. This video is in trio. I do not really understand what this guy is saying, but I think he has landed himself into a very big trouble. These are the kind of Ghanaians that are making other Nigerians to laugh at Ghana. I beg, let's watch this video, and please translate what these guys are saying in the comment section for me so I can understand. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.
Police, customs, FDA, I didn't tell me casa semi. So Memphis say be a war no wa we so jeni no Memphis masa Memphis say be a we e be ma chobio magboga unya be ma chobia e akukudo na we wo what I say and I wo so do be jan to kwan no and afia links mo adodo ne am am so jeni am ne links na mo de ko ho no why wana na unim whom you know
70 years old
and amunya mo de mo de ko so jensim ni musa and amomba no so dodo amom no ye munia yenim se munia yedi munia what I say if the war your banner so be wa hemu anya de wo your ba wo be so dia tade and almost more than almost more months asentia and a moon immigration for near mo tete bribe or body expo na no nia na Nigeria for eba hanam on ba be bo ahyewo omo ye wudi nsam what I say and nkwase asem ne nkro no sam ye nchi obi ba ne anjiska what I say amen tremo Ghana penifo Ghana president parliament police,
I don't die.
Security, fire service, customs, immigration.
Now, for my life, I did say me, the next president, man, I be. Not only you, I be woman. Oh, I be woman. And gross. Man, tell you, piece of an advice. So, if you know waiting good for you, carry yourself, go hospital. Talk to any doctor that make he run tests for your head. And make he check your medulla oblongata so that he can also check your cerebrum. And whether they function well, they function well, make he give you madness certificates. What was it? Tell you, because if they hold you, if they hold you, and if that one no work, go to mortuary straight. What was it? Tell them, say
you don't die. Make they kill you for freezer. Yeah. If you are scared of freezer, I beg, carry your bag. Tuama. Pass. They go any place. Just they go. If you get Togo, enter. If you get Africa, enter. If you Benin, enter. Because if these people hold you, I don't die for a brother. Oh, this month, this man go carry us enter Walo. Oh, you don't get people matter way for talk. That's what they do. They do activism. That's what they do blogging work. So people, they touch their matter. Oh, I feel sorry for this man. Anyway, still, we say power to the Nyash. May I give you one Nyash? Just go pino for your last time. Because I know. Whatever.